If you are interested in building an audio system and amps, buy these 5 this Black Friday. If you are interested in building an audio system and amps, buy these 5 this Black Friday. These 5 modules offer the best discount and the highest performance for all your car and home audio project. Let's start with number 1. Number 1. TDA 7498 Class D stereo amplifier. The best input voltage 37 volt DC, as you can see. Input voltage. Output 100 watt right and 100 watt left. Audio input 3-pin here and RCA jack. The purchase link in the description. Number 2. This module amplifier have a 3-channel output. This terminal 100 output subwoofer and these terminals 50 watt output left and 50 watt output right. And input voltage here 12 to 24 volt with this jack and this terminal. Input audio 3-pin here and input audio stereo with aux jack here. Link for buy in description and full video here. Number 3. TPA 3118. It have a 60 watt output mono, input power 8 to 24 here you can see, input audio with these pins and output to a speaker here. For buy link in description and full video here. This module have a 415 watt output. As you can see, output right here and output left here. Input voltage here with this terminal 12 to 18 DC. That's a good for car stereo system. This module amplifier make with the TDA 7850. For line input, this 3-pin 2-channel and this 3-pin 2-channel and this 3-pin external volume input and this 2-pin external power supply. Link for buy this amplifier check description. Finally, number 5. Before introduce number 5, please subscribe and like and share this video and support us. Thank you very much. This module amplifier have two 15 watt output stereo. This terminal output 15 watt for right speaker and this terminal output 15 watt for left speaker, and this terminal it's a power input 5 volt to 24 volt. Input audio 3-pin here, aux here, and has a volume for on and off and adjustment volume. This module make with TPA 3116. Link for buy this check description and full video test and introduce here.